I want to sincerely thank the media personnel, the residents of the solar affected areas, and all the friends who have traveled from far and wide to attend this meeting on our invitations. Today, we have called this meeting because we have noticed a concerning trend. Individuals from outside our area who have no direct knowledge or connection to our land or the solar project are coming in and opposing the project. As per the direction given, officials from KAAC, APDCL, and even international representatives have been visiting our area regularly for over a year, almost every 2 to 3 months, to conduct surveys and engage with the people. All 23 villages involved have raised no objection to the solar project. We, the villagers, see this as a real opportunity for development in our region. The project representatives have promised to support the local community in meaningful ways. They have committed to improving our livelihoods by supporting small businesses such as weaving, pig rearing, and silk farming, and by helping build schools, roads, water system, electricity connection, and more. They have agreed to our terms and are ready to work alongside for the growth of the affected areas. It is important to understand that 80% of the land in question is wasteland. Much of it is illegally occupied by encroachers. This project represents a light of hope for us, a chance to finally see progress and chance for our people. That's why we will not allow outsiders like Rajan Timong from IPP, Bikram Singh Hanse from APHLC, and others to destroy this hope. They are not from our villages, they are not our representatives, and they do not speak for us. Their claim that 20,000 people live in the area is completely false and driven by political agendas. We know our land, we know our villages, and we know what is best for our future. No outsider will come and dictate what should happen in our house. We live here, we decide what is right for us. Frankly, I find this opposition unnecessary and driven by motives that seems more about personal gain than genuine concern. I have to ask, are they opposing simply because they are not getting any financial benefit from it? Their opinion seems irrelevant and lack value, especially since they are neither from our area nor directly affected by the project. As of all you know, the KAC and we, the people who actually live in the areas impacted by the solar project, have no issue with its development. We understand the benefits and supports the initiatives. It is important to stand firm and not let outside voices who don't share our struggles or vision dictate what is best for our community. Clarification of misinformation. I also want to address some of the false claims being spread by outsiders regarding our areas. They are saying that there are 20,000 Nagas, Karbi, and Adivasi residents living here. That is simply not true. I invite anyone to come and see the reality for themselves. Our area does not have the kind of dense jungle population anywhere near the figure. What we do have are few tenants who engage in farming, but even they are not permanent settlers. They are yearly tenants with agreement that lasts for only 1 year at a time. This kind of misinformation only harms the development process and misleads the public. We, the actual residents of the area, know the truth, and we urge people to speak based on the fact and not assumption or exaggeration. On the issues of encroached land and opposition, I also want to bring attention to a very serious issue. The area affected by the solar project are mostly encroached lands, now occupied by people from other states. These lands were never officially transferred or settled, yet now outsiders are trying to claim rights over them. I say this directly to those who are opposing the project. If you truly care about the land, then take responsibility. help us claim these encroached areas, and protect us from the growing threat of land mafias. It is hypocritical to oppose the solar project while turning a blind eye to illegal occupation. Let's not ignore the fact that a few local individuals who are now speaking out against the project are the very same people who sold land to outsiders in the first place. And now they are demanding the project be cancelled. That raises serious question. And it is also interesting to note that some people, even when internationally, have spoken out against this project. But I can't help but wonder who is behind their effort, especially considering the travel expenses and funding involved. I myself come from one of the solar affected area, and I speak here as a representative of my community. If you all know our villages, you will understand they are older than the present-day Dimapur town. Yet despite we have seen no development, we have no proper roads, no reliable water supply, no schools, and the growing problem of land mafias. For years, our area was treated like no man's land, forgotten, without facility, without opportunity, and with a very difficult livelihood. But with this solar project, for the first time, we have seen a glimpse of hope. We see the possibility of developments, roads, electricity, jobs, and the promise that the project will, alongside the local community, to build a better future. They have assured us that both men and women will be supported in creating sustainable livelihood. Our village may finally gain recognition as a solar city. We also hope it will bring safety and protection from land mafias, especially since we live along the border with another state. I challenge them to justify their claims with evidence, bring the facts, not rumors or emotional manipulation. The people of this area deserve development, not interference based on falsehood and personal interest. I want to directly address Bikram Hanse, Rajan Timung, and others who are not from our solar affected area villages. How can you go so far to lie to
Hegandi, Lana long limen tu dong vir det kijor derani. La sila hai along le kijor tumben chelang sinon Rajan Timung punon, Bikram Hanse punon, apen alang le tuampan karju keng tung le lahlu. Kopi and tres lo dak nil tuma development lo nang pau do inang lidak komat lo je nil tum la an arat pan pamang huprong ni nil tum ek chehok lo ke arjuno la totsar tom pini ke do tum an ta dak arong agambura tum saide lo duplicate kali lai ke original bang po chi phung pame agambura pen alang tum chi chini lo so area ke eta nang tum ko na pen sinang chini wong de lo hala arong dam hupo bang thom bania jang phong rum tok dang prong ko mania athikup to dam prong la pensinal tum han Norwegian gedun hai Italian gedun ye son international long nang le tum la hai alam ge ni dam thap ke dak arlu alam chini luma a hok et ke wang inoi dak nang tum la every footstep damoi arjunoi la non dak ke do kur lai pang thai lor apir thepen along le ke la ke karbi along le ke 70 to 80% da velu bang sop ke chijor tang cholang tang along le side lo don tum la sinang chini du noi no nang le tu mat hadam bang ke karbiang lo anglong along le 18,000 bega ke konwang popu konwang gali laki piniar ni la solar project jong sinang bi bedat pulodang te along le si bang asu sinang doang podaki dak don suri la tum along le ke nama tum ta lapu chiring koi nam lo pote doning koi lo tum rong ji si ke cheseng ji side anta la bang ke dak wang no nil yang paklang po proof apen ke chijor ke chelang atom phanta ningji thap ke la tum lo nil tum chepa jogi po ba solar project padonang po phan la nil tum lam nang ningji dun kali approve do nang paklang thima la hai moni tum ke che thrak non chilut chok ipya poloma hala documents nil tum phan la so project e wang lo pu pen long le ke chijor documents an ke nang lang pi pon than tum phanta po documents ni long nang agreement documents abang ni long nang che thon lap ke abu yang som do non nili pini dak amen pang dak pon pulo dang te baria dusmon lo sita la tum long le chiro dang dal ge nili fere akam ta wi la sidona tum karbiang long arat nang cerap nang choto do inoi karbiatum isi la ta mesen akimia kam lo je la sor project pen ilutum jong se chobi thexer polong te bang competition nang piji putang dal bo asap saveta long polata ako logote ili tum dak sakuri ta bang 1000 ba kamunit bang kela dak local tum hansi pon poputa nang ningi dak lo lasi to a details bang ke non keningi yu tum da do ulang sita nili tum phanta nang tar lip moto nili long li ke jor pu nili hadi border long adu nili phanda pache thang tapik nili election thuruta la lego border so long li jor acha to komani nut jor lo la rat ke jor ma jorji sondak thaksi dipua sor ke hino pik pik mane amonit ke mane phanting on thop thop areng so dagma ekoli dipudam delu la soni kali botnamri hakhi nei non ili tumang bong kes si pijeng yang nang le tum phan nil tum kes nang pipo non nang tum keni kang thap keni am propot ili tumang bong arleng hiam si cheng no pobo non la sulibom ili tum nil tum dak border dimapur border judgment pet akar bi tum ke doing thak so loda lada kang thak so bostu gela poen lo dipo long dampo si haladak air office settlement office long dampo haladak acitha lang ampo oko la ke long le khali lang bang kep en ko mone wang po hadak ta jur jobostia pota chikuri po dak ta long le chipo lapu bange don rap tum karbiang long arata tum honon ovi kimia tum phanang chordom nang chuningri lo son ke nang viri anak nilge sia mamunit nilge ye mamunit niga muk mp amunit ne doluk to aprangsi nang le tum pini bangso ang songa direction a tengpen bang eli tum phanang ke post dun acara lir ke do atum solar project ki biji po main pen along nanga che jok dun thap pen bang soil tum phan ako nang le tum ahok ma na hok ma pu che than dak noi po meeting pinili tum kangni press meet kangni along media court tum ke chopa teng apor teng pen apali dun thega pot nili in pen cardom la pen rong asar in pen tanal tum phan media court tum han cardom iglo la pen pinida ka chetong ka dog we rong koi ra ka thom ini tum la solar affected area arong asar tum phan anta nili hin pen cardom chupilo angsona direction a teng pen nili tum phan la cheklem tu po pen so ka cheklem mane alang tum ili tum phan ang ke post un thavaret la so alam voi kipi bangso meeting nang chetong dun ilu tum la rong koi ra ka thom alis lai khen lo la so alis bang ke dak do erlo agambura tum an la sirara tum bang ke non chutiki chorlana por amasi judgment pet Rong asar tum phan bangke nil tum padigdar pon pedat lo la gbs tum phan se hang pen se so press meet pinibi pon lo la so pen nang che tong dun aronga amen bangke lai hen lo list lo la ke chengsi long kathar lo agambura dak doig lo la pen long hup dak agambura doig lo kara rong pierong agambura dolo balijan balijan piloko longki rong phara rong agambra dak amunit dudlo lapen bangke balijan lal mati dolo dilai bolo diliterang lapen bangke langtuk ramsa lapen hemari timung lapen bangke bonglong terang men tisso lokpo kiling sam teron kania hanse sarpo terang lapen ke lokso teron muhuri teron Mohori teron, nihang terang, teke ingti, lapen bangke, lake, sorumanthi, bidasing kiling, lang birik, mijikro, anhelo, rong kora ke thom, la bangke, solar kepar lo vek, arong lo, sita me kepar lo posita a solar bang, rong par lo pon pi. La jitu rong kawi det si a solar area bange kedu ame pel tum long laplo sitami non ili tum chesong bom pen wang bom bang atum dak la so project nang bilo pupen il tum phan nang than nang kimum non ingkan hini lekelo bang ha ADB Asian Development Bank atum ame thang dak inquiry chewang lo nang survey lo so pen EPDC atum apong wang lo sita chobei choke long legi chujor phelang chujor tum amune tum halaso ke opos tum long chelang dun pensi pini ili tum phan la so development anak kimi ili tum phan ke wang ya dimalong bang atuma bangke lahaya project ke chor i belek a state tum da country tum ta la sonyong si bi thek lo polong te ili tum dimalong a development the pikipu a hok bangke wang atum ta hala ADB pen wang atum bang Hanoi pen Italy pen la pen bangke Spain pen lahai tung wang tamta nil tum phan dak kadok abita chitong long sar lo la tum ike than te kanga teng polo tangte ladak la so project bang bikok lu polo tangte so project long pipilo ali alap kilongi number 1 la tum pulo ili tum phan bang kechobe chokai keningi thap bang ke solar project adungare arong ana bang ke hipi birik asonson le chuita rengun e adim kreng hakji munita chia ji pon an sikini ge mate 15 km surrounding kala so a distance abang kala ke munit makena hok dolap ji pu la sili tum non dak tot prong men ti sorong pen dimapur ta 15 km awi la si international munit tum bang chini je la so pia bosu ma solar ke banang than dak lo pen chin ne pon da google long search no solar ke la ke green energy akang sam nei miang bong ta la hen lo la si bang matha fc iltuma Dr. Tuliram Rong Hangsar lapen ke Assam Chief Minister Dr. Hemanto Biswa Sharma alang tumbang chini lor pensi karbi atumta paching thur nang pualam lo la sila sopen mitang sena puthak non la IPP atum a leaders Rajen Timung lapen bangke APHLC a leaders atum Bikram Hansi atum bang chomatha bangke Rong asar pencing kike daga jat atomo nang chinin de pinsi alang tumsi bora kethek arong tagali ahem ta ave dak arita ave alang tum pulo karbiang long long indigenous people party pu kerai asonsi kiche krong thap chela tum bangke dak eli tum phan la an akke meji la so area la an keching thurji awar sai long po non eli tum pilo dak awar sai gelong habit haram an chalo ajat ta ave dak dunke tara chojor lapen ke mentulo ke ching thur lang non la so dim geli tum la so solar project nang bikok lo polong te ladak thek akam an ke bang 1000 amunir phan bang local atom phan si dak asakuri piponji puta bang chi chak do lapenta lata asuda pogali 4 grade 3rd grade pogali thek ason an bang local phan si first priority people pu latum nang than te kang lapen lan chotakali adungare rong ke thek ason an karbi tum choklem beha paper dak non bang nang than te kanga teng ba nil tum hanang pa chinia teng la poen lo jitia tamane alam bang clear lo polo tangte alang li tum final chitok po je pini pen banga project bivek po ba latak nang ot po polo tangte la sochi council karbenglo tarmas council la pen ke ala epdcl la pen adb tum alang tum chitok po hala sofiansi lapen kaching wa verbal kaching wa huchita mi non alang tum la sonsi ningi ponlo je ladak local atum phansi first priority lake theka son an ke mopen suri sibak armu galadak palut pon pu pa bangke alang tum non chitok pon pu pa lamlo sita akam si a disturbance the ongmat lai ke chitok avela alang tum just nang tum kroima kor krema pu phansi kewang chotlang la sopensi alang tum ako nang chi survey lo non la sinon survey tangi dok dok aporsi la bangke alang tum nang la son mopen ningi pon bo mala makam hal haina a disturbance doko ma si non chitok thek theder la sita la bangke alang li tum chichakang lo adb tum danang chichakang lo apdcl tum danang chichakang lo uthung chopang reng wokak chopang reng la hai anta la tum lang ponji me lang towar anta lang tum si arik si enlo nang jong se nang tum bi binong polong tan tum la anta nang lang pon pu pulu la sila so adima bangke nili pudami po bangka alang li tum dak non ahokalam chithan dak sigemi akorat tum chi ni pur ke pulo la sinili pini bangke nang la tum phan khulasa mane open nang kuri pilo so area ke jasmet pet nil tum ta kecheng aku kichini inde aku bangke nil tum ta koi ke pu ke pos pu pulu sia malong ta lo chupidam pu pulu sita phialam long thula ap lo lapen bangke area jitia survey nang start lo area ta chelang lo lake minimum maximum 70 to 80% along le bangke lake mentur ni rong asor pen ko nanal sor ne along litala non solar ke parlo ajo an ke kechejo ta tang etlu donatum karbiang long arat atum wang ignoi nang le tum approve nang pipo dak long le ke cheyo tum si ja submit apen hala nang ke post tum long kai chelang dun amen nili nang pu pipu nei pulong te puthek la pen nili long wang oi nang chetong oi nili ke dak si ke jot mo mo nilo dak sia local lo apen nilia jo social worker bua hisap amat nilita sap o ke chelang dun ajir ding tuilo lai party along pe ne chelang no masinil ta dipu dokok chichini junde dak men tu tong lahan along leki ikderoni lasi la so along le bang ke jong si ilitum naga tum hata nil tum blamely pe poloma kichior ke dakatum ke naga tum ta charju thek buta arleng alam ta nar judun ta mi nang ning ori nang tum ta pe poloma nitum nang ke plung bori gali nang tum chok chi ke nam chok chi dak karbiang long alen along le bang ke la ke hala dak ketok masitu dak tok dak lu karbia anglong along li po bang ke kerai pusi kerai binong du lapen chojor tapar along li ke la bang ke aron re pen ke jor pute ke jor bang tha jel dam nai ke nam bang tha jel dam nai hadak pota long ta ke tok du je la bang ke long li jong si jor long li pagli ke jor bang jor long ji sita council soraphan arju nai lata periodic pota miadi pota long lok aphi miadi pota dokok pen aphi council pen order cho nai order en lo pote ke support ma kun e ma pia ki sung pia ki boy ma bang jori pupike sita non ang tum ge illegally si jor varelo ke nam tum da burbok lo ke nam do na atum anta apota long ma ke do kopilo ma ke do alang tum la dak civil SG office long dampo kopene a documents nam enam lok po kopene a dulil si bagwan lok po alang tum chi siri kut kut la hen lo ma proper document kali lake la si illegally si nang tum long leke nam la si donatum karbiang long arat tum tanang chinyon milimen ke chondro kathar nili bangke nang le tum thek long ji nili rong le long kathar rong dokok poset dak alom amuni tum le long le jor lap posita nili pota aso asaveta sakuri se claim government job CD tum wirdet po nang le tum la dak che bhong kang po chichok kang po kat ruk po nil tum bang dak ke halak tum han pulisu an pulisu mandet po nili tum ke chojor cholang hako pendala alang tomalong duk dun det border asor ke thang awar sayawi pen ke kelang ta kai kita pangkriwi election hot ke mel meeting doji sita aphi bang chewang wang wewi lahai bang ta nil tumakti sungdu non pini ta nil tum dakna menti sorong nang pale rok rajo langbung lang pret a photong paklang ne paklang la si donatum so solar project phan lok ke kadok avya karbi arat phanta non ke thiki ding nam non IPP president secretary atum noi APSLC president secretary atum noi nangle tum ta proper inquiry pen apisi lahai oppose kuri du nangji non nangle tum a responsible change ma non da dak bang arong kechi ke bi arong amuni nangne putenal tumpu la tum si non playing set pu wangoi to dak face to face sil tum cepak lang dak nang ni tum da nang dun pu lab rong koi ra thoma gamura tum nang dun toy pu nang la tum pilo nel tum phana proof nang piji nil tum pilo proof nang piji la si dona tum nili hin pen rat phanda chuniri chordom lo la pen bangke nil tum a details non english pen ta dak nal tum phanang piji la bini karjulong tum an phana chuningri lo rata tum nang le tum la bangke bhul buji nang ne ulta nang ma thari nili tum la solar project ki bi i main alam ke lake ili tum akar biang long a protection aphan lo non jong sili tum la bi thek ser lo polong te non ke jong se la bi thek thedet polde non menti sorong anang le lu na la hapara sorbang long like na matum engke penap dik bangke menti so parpo penap dik hidipi parpo non ta hapui hinat pen mangke na horjan hala so border pen hadi lai le roklu la si la hai hui pen le ili tum che protect on de polo tangte avelu la bangke non ili tum chubi ko karat atum phan awar sayan ke dolang la si kardom lo nilihin pen jo nil dung ako kening ye tum da do ulang nilihin pen la pan sinal tum han message pi pen kardom pa jir pen ton ko lo kardom